From humble street food to royal feasts, the journey of your favorite meals is more incredible than you know. This is the history of the dish.
The Virgin Islands Conch in butter sauce is a beloved dish that reflects the rich culinary traditions of the Caribbean, particularly in the U.S. and British Virgin Islands. Conch, pronounced conch, is a large sea snail that has been a staple in Caribbean and Bahamian cuisine for centuries. Here's a brief history of how this dish became a regional favorite. The Taino and Arawak peoples, the original inhabitants of the Caribbean, likely harvested conch as a food source long before European colonization. After European settlement, conch became a widely available and affordable protein for enslaved Africans and working-class communities. Its versatility made it a key ingredient in many dishes. In the Virgin Islands, conch was traditionally harvested by freedivers and fishermen, then cleaned, tenderized, and cooked in various ways: stewed, fried, or served in buttery sauces. The use of butter in Caribbean cooking was influenced by European, particularly French and British culinary traditions. Over time, local cooks combined butter with garlic, herbs, and spices to create rich, flavorful sauces for seafood. Local adaptations. In the Virgin Islands, conch in butter sauce evolved as a luxurious yet simple dish, often featuring tenderized conch pounded to soften, garlic butter sauce sometimes with lime, thyme, and Scotch bonnet peppers, served with fungi cornmeal dish, rice, or Johnny cakes. As the Virgin Islands became a tourist destination, conch in butter sauce gained fame as a must-try local dish. Cultural symbol. It represents the island's blend of African, European, and indigenous culinary traditions. Some versions include white wine, cream, or coconut milk for added richness. Today, conch in butter sauce remains a staple in Virgin Islands restaurants and home kitchens, showcasing the island's seafood heritage and love for bold, savory flavors.
The recipes for all of our dishes are linked in the description below. Like, subscribe, and click on the next video.